Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year. In this video, since it is the first day of the new year 2023, I'm happy to share a code I've been working on, and what it does is it basically does like a short like text-based celebration of the new year. And it's not long, it's just 13 lines of code, but it's just something fun I wanted to share. And okay, so we're going to begin by first of all, we're going to import the two libraries that we're going to need, random and time. This is going to make it seem, like it's going to make it more fun. And so let me just give you an example of what it does. So when we run the code, then it gives you like this kind of thing. And it's just like a bunch of stars and just like text saying like goodbye 2022 and Happy New Year 2023. And so basically if you want to accomplish that, what we need to do is we need to like randomly just put in text and stars everywhere, and then make sure that it's running smoothly using the time module. And so firstly, this is all gonna be under a for loop that's gonna run with 1,000 iterations. And so basically here, we're gonna have a variable, and we're gonna call it space. And space is gonna be just like it's gonna be a string that's gonna contain a random amount of white space before any kind of text that we add. White space is basically just like filler space that doesn't actually have any content besides just a bunch of spaces. So that's gonna give it this kind of like aesthetic effect. And I is it's the iterator here, and so it's gonna be any number. It's gonna cycle through 1 and 1,000, all the numbers in between. And so basically if that number is divisible by 10, then we're gonna print goodbye 2022. And if it's not divisible by 10 but it is divisible by 5, so it's like if it's like 15, 25, 35, then we're gonna print Happy New Year. Now 5 and 10 aren't really like significant in any way. I just want to give it like a chance, or this is just a way to make sure that the text is just placed in between the stars, so that when you run it, it's gonna be like a bunch of stars over here, and then we're gonna put like a little bit of like the text in between. And so yeah, if I is neither divisible by 10 or 5, then like if it doesn't leave a remainder, right? That's what the percentage sign means. Then we're just gonna print stars right here, asterisks. And again, to keep it running smoothly, and instead of the whole thing just being printed once, we're gonna add time.sleep 0.1, so that there's gonna be like a pause of 0.1 seconds, and then this whole thing is gonna print again. So again, when you run this is the final product. This is what happens. It's really cool. I just wanted to share this with you. I hope you like the code, and I hope you like the video, and I'll be uploading more videos soon. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.